let's see if the stock market recovered today. Tesla is up $7.36. That's 2.98%, closed at 254.50. Post-market, we're down by a further 17 cents. So yesterday we had a little bit of a scare. So we had a big red candle. Things were going down, but they were still pretty much respecting the bullish channel. Yes, I said it was outside. It was technically outside, but look at what happened today. We are just back into the channel. Look at the long wick at the bottom of this candle. This means that we had a move down during the day, or it started down during the day, and then the buyers pushed it back up. And then, of course, when we have a green candle, then this is where the buyers push the sellers out. We are even above 250.69. We are back into our bullish channel. Our indicators recovered. Yesterday, we had the stochastic just a hair below 60. Now everything is back into place. Let's take a look briefly at the 1 hour chart. Yeah, the first candle of the day right here, we were right back into the channel. We opened a little bit higher, came back lower, even a little bit outside of the channel, but then we pushed up a little bit. Then green, a retest of the channel again. So the channel has been tested twice today, and now we are just a hair below 254.59, which is where we had the actual break that indicated that we had a move down. All in all, perfect recovery today. One candle does not necessarily make a trend. So I'm just happy that things are recovering. Let's take a look at the VIX. So VIX is even Steven with yesterday. Went quite higher today, but then was squished down. The squishing down of the VIX helped the stock market recover a little bit. We still have a stochastic over 60. So we have stochastic over 60. So maybe we are going to be in for some more downward move in the stock market. This will have to be looked at. US bonds just rose a little bit, but no stochastic. US dollar is still dropping. We like to see this. Let's look at our EV stocks. Okay, so Rivian is up 1.73%, but we still are lower. And I'm going to say it again, and I will say it again until we break 24.62. Then I'm going to stay outside of this one. So we had the big move towards the peak on Tuesday. Yesterday was yesterday, and today we made a lower high, but we made a higher low. In terms of the indicators, everything is just great. So it's just a matter of breaking that 24.62. But at the same time, we are into this bullish channel, and we are on the resistance side of the bullish channel right here. The resistance side. Chances are that we should be cooling down a little bit and trying to go towards the support before trying this 24.62 again. Chances are we should at least be going sideways, but the move up is a little bit more iffy. Xpeng, nothing to see. NEO rebounding nicely on 791, recovered stochastic. So far yesterday was just a regular pullback. VinFast up 2%. So VinFast is holding its own quite well. Stochastic is over 60. All of the indicators are bullish. Yeah. And we even have a longer wick at the bottom right here, telling us that it's the buyers that won that part right here. Apple cannot break 197.67. ARM, good day for ARM, up 4%. We now have resistance at 72. And also we have a bit of a wedge right here. Palantir still outside of the bullish channel. There's no stochastic, so this one is not going to go higher very soon. NVIDIA going sideways. Let's look at our indicators. So a little bit of a move up, almost up 1% with Dow Jones. S&P 500 recovering a little bit, 1%. NASDAQ a little bit more than 1%, and now getting close again to this big horizontal resistance that we broke on Tuesday. So we are just right smack on it. This is perfection. We are just closing just right below it. Gold 1584 has just been broken, but it's basically still into a big congestion zone now until we are breaking 1611. Nothing to do here. Silver is continuing back up 1%. Bitcoin almost up 1%. And Ripple is recovering. It seems like we want to go back into our bullish channel. We still don't have stochastic, so we'll have to see if this holds. And also Google has recovered quite nicely. And Enphase also, we are back above 130.39. Basically, it was just a little bit of a scare. So I am happy to have gotten out of some things, like I said yesterday, and happy to have kept what I have kept, because today we have a good recovery. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.